Good morning. Say hi. Say hi. This is his tug-of-war rope. Say hi. He likes going behind me and then coming back the other side. What are you doing? Look at the tail. Handshake. Thank you. Thank you. He's still teething, so sometimes I give him my finger. I'll just like suck on it, but he won't bite me. He's a cuddly boy. Huh. Okay, let's get your blanket. So this is his blanket. And he likes to cuddle with it. Huh. What are you doing? Hello, little sir. We call him little sir. Little baby. Say hello. Say hello. What is that? You took a sock? That's my sock. Let's go eat lunch. Are you not hungry? Are you not hungry? Are you hungry? Okay. Good boy. Sit.
Stay.
This is yummy. Yummy. Hey guys, it is the afternoon right now. I'm sitting outside watching Simba. Yeah, so that's what's up. He is just chilling. So I'll go show you guys what he's up to. He's looking at me right now. Watch. Look at him. He's just sitting there, chewing on a towel. Simba! Hi! What are you up to? Hmm? Say hi. What are you doing? What are you doing, little sir? Watch, I'm gonna take a little treat and put it on his paw. He thinks his towel is so much more valuable than this little treat. So like even if I put it right there, if I put another one, he's not gonna take it. Watch. He knows that I'm gonna try to take the towel away from him. Look, there's a little treat. It's a little treat. Can I have it? Leave it. Leave it. Yeah, see, he's not gonna give it to me. He's not gonna give it to me. He's too smart. Come on, take your treat. he got his treat. See? Okay, bye. Say hi, look at the camera. Say hi. Okay, bye. Simba! Max! Hi, guys! Hi, hello! Hi, Simba! Come! Okay, guys, come here! Simba! Simba! Come here! Come here! Hi! Max! Little baby! Oh!
What else? Okay, I can walk by myself. Yeah, he's fine.
Simba! Hi! Hey, Max.
My hand is so much
not you. Oh my god, look at this.
Sit. You can go.
Hi, baby. Hello.